Hello, and welcome to Confessions of a Caregiver. In these weekly vignettes, you'll get an insider's look into the caregiver side of the cancer story. Spoiler alert, cancer sucks for everyone. So here's the thing. I love my husband. He's smart, he's funny, and he's ruggedly handsome. And best of all, he's in remission. But it all started a few years ago when Brandon had this lingering, relatively bothersome cough. So Brandon goes to his primary care doctor and he says, "It's just a lingering cough. My wife's being annoying." And the doctor says, "Let's get some x-rays." The x-rays come back and she wastes no time and says, "You need to go to the ER." So now cut to me, ton of stuff to do, and Brandon calls and he says, "Hey, no biggie, the doctor wants me to go to the ER." Let's stop these crazy visits to the ER on a Friday and stop making people get diagnosed with cancer. We can do this. Let's raise some money together and stop cancer in its tracks. Like,